Okay, so I am doing the white cardstock, which is Basil from the cardstock add-on kit, and this is Teo. He said, look, a handstand, so I told him if you use the wall, you can practice. So that's what he was doing. I'm using some of those chipboard stickers, and they are Pink Fresh Studio BU. And then some of those stickers are Maggie Holmes. And then I'm going to use up these frames. Can't believe I go back to school in 3 weeks. It's been a much needed break. Yesterday I worked on getting my classroom management stuff and a few other things, printed, and I need to laminate and cut and put together. Yeah. So I'm just putting everything down. And then my title is Holding Up the Wall. And holding in wall are Dear Lizzie Bonjour stickers. And then up in the is Dear Lizzie Fox stickers. And then that is it for this layout. And then Patton, he's always has to come up when really when I'm recording. He still does it if I'm just scrapbooking, but not as much as if I'm recording. I don't know why that is. Like right now, I'm just sitting here doing video voiceovers and he's nowhere to be seen. And then my laptop, the hinge is broke, so I no longer can take it with me anywhere. And now a few of my keys don't work, and my arrow keys. It's driving me crazy. I never realized how much I use my arrow keys. And my slot / and question mark and and Z don't work. And my 0 on my number keypad don't work. All of a sudden. I have another Toshiba, and Q, R, S, and a few others don't work on that one. And That's why I bought this one, and now this keyboard is just a few keys. I don't get it. So thank goodness I had a cordless, the wireless keyboard that I use at school with the smartboard. So I'm not at my computer. I can stay in front of the smartboard. Thank goodness I had that because I can use that. I'm gonna have to do a search and see if it's just something simple, but I'm gonna have to try to take it in. Oh, I hope not, because I just had to buy a new cell phone. My luck is like, I'm be so glad when 2018 is done. 2018 has not been my year. My phone, I bought a used phone, and that was the biggest mistake. I had it for a while, and then it got stuck on the ATT logo, so I took it in where I purchased it. They said it was a software issue, so I had to hard reset the phone, lost everything. A few months later, it did it again, so I remembered how they did it, so I did it again, lost everything, and now it just did it again. And I did a hard reset and nothing. So I was without a phone. So I had to go to Walmart, and I just said, I'm just going to buy me a brand new straight talk phone and not bring my own phone. I'll just buy one of theirs. And I love it. It is a fabulous phone, if I may say. Just to do a quick review on it. It is a LG Stylo 3 with fingerprint unlocking. Use your fingerprint to unlock it. And it has been fabulous. So, and I've only had it, I got it Friday. Yeah, Friday. So I've only had it 3 days. But that's been the best 3 days. And then I did some ink splatters, which I was like, maybe I should have left it, but it grew on me. It made it so it wasn't so white. And then that completes the layout. So when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.